Nothing is worse than having an engine down, except knowing it's going to be down longer than it should because you don't have all the right parts to complete the repair. You could delay the job until you get the right parts, or try to get by using a similar or reused part to avoid downtime now, with the trade-off being bigger problems down the road. Whether you're a do-it-yourself customer or an experienced service technician, it's critical that you have the right parts for the right repair. Parts.cummins.com makes finding parts information easy, and now we've made it easier for customers to have the right parts to get the job done right. The new Frequently Purchased Together feature is now live on the website. When you're viewing a specific part that is needed for a repair, you'll see that in addition to existing information, such as part details, you can now see parts frequently purchased with the part you're viewing by clicking the Frequently Purchased Together tab. You can browse the parts as a way of double-checking to make sure you aren't forgetting a necessary part. These parts will appear in order of most frequently purchased together. The parts displayed in the feature are updated regularly based on historical sales and work orders. Users can refine these results by entering their ESN information. Visit parts.cummins.com to check this feature out today and make sure you have the right parts to get the job done right.